Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my live stream. I am Mongal. I am today we are diving into the last launch pool featuring the token common, a brand new project on Getio offering positive rewards staking. If you are looking to earn value, hold this stream is for you, so grab your coffee, hit the like button, and let's explore everything about this launch pool together. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Get launch pool project hash 334 command protocol command stake BTC ETH or command to claim airdrop. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Welcome Eyelash NX and thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Get launch pool is set to launch project with hash 334 common protocol. Common user can stake BTC ETH or common to share 7,500 common token for free. Airdrop details staking period 27 October and 2025 at 13 UTC, November 6 2025 at 13 UTC. Total staking reward 75,100,000 common and staking pool BTC total staking rewards 3.000.000 common prize pool per her 12,500 common and early reward cap per user 1,250 common maximum staking amount per user 30 BTC and minimum staking amount per user 0.0001 BTC. Unlocking rule unlock 100% and welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. So early staking at launch pool allows user to stake in advance. You can stake your assets. Welcome Crypto Boost with Alex. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Good morning. You can stake your assets before the official launch of the project to ensure you start earning rewards as soon as mining bids. Rewards most user who stake BTC or ETH and choose the redeem into simple and 7-day fixed term product can enjoy 75% 35% extra airdrop rewards on top of their original staking earning. Learn more. Rewards distribution. How to participate. Log in to your get account and complete identity verification. Navigate to launch pool. Hold at last 0.0001 BTC, 0.0003 ETH. One common click participate and get launch pool FAQs. Get Labs investment disclosure. Get Labs did not invest is common protocol. Common notes. Point 1. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking airdrop platform where user can earn early airdrop of trading and newly listed token by staking GT, BTC, ETH and USDT, GUSD. For other tokens with low entry barriers and high APR, it's an easy way to capture market. Point 2. Please complete identity verification before participating in launch pool to the security of your accounts and assets. Point 3. Please follow the relevant rules of the event when participate. Any cheating behavior is which will result in disqualification of the words. Point 4. In case of the discrepancies between the translate and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. Point 5. Get receives all right to the final explanations. This event is not affiliate with Apple Inc. User in the United Kingdom and other restricted location account across the service, including the participation in this event, game or competitions. See the user agreement for further details and rejected location. Risk warning. Point 1. As a blockchain startup still in its early stages, the project may involve significant risk in various aspects, including participations, underlying technology, and the legal and regulatory environment. Point 2. Understanding blockchain startup and assessing their inherent risk require advanced technical and financial technology. Due to the influences from technology, regulatory framework, market condition, and other factors, the project you participate in may experience significant price volatility with price potentially rising or falling sharply. Point 4. Due to the issue related to the underlying technology of the project or the get trading platform, you may be able to withdraw all or part of the. Welcome my dear friends, welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Point 5. Cryptocurrency projects are high risk by nature and cryptocurrency prices are highly volatile. The project team does not provide any form of margin price commitment or divides production. Please ensure you fully understand the risk and are capable of bearing them before participating. Well, the platform where the petitioner risk is cannot issue liability for any investment discussions or provides any or compensations. Get Team 27 October 2025 Gateway to Crypto trades over 3,400 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Get. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to $10,000 in welcome rewards. Invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Get official website. Download the Get app desktop. Follow us on X Twitter to get more bonus and join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics. Join our Telegram community to discuss trading topics with our global community for the latest insight, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of service. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, everyone. Common is an AI native workspace where every community project and trade in tokenized so 3.8 million users across 50k plus communities, and there are agents can do deep research, trades code on future requests, and earn on every idea or beauty in one place. Total rewards 7,500,000 common, and start time 2025-27 October, and end time 2025 6 November. Pool BTC common. Common total staking rewards 1,500,000 common, and mining period 10 days. Total staking 177.376.244.08 common, and participate 7.441, and prize pool Hurley cap 6,250 common, individual Hurley reward cap 812.5 common, and APR 51.79%, individual staking cap 500,000 common. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. So Common Protocol introducing the Common token and conditions layer, different vision 0.10 D-Line chain, D-Line Common XYZ 21 October 2025, and abstract common is a condition layer for multi-agent systems. Programmable laws create mere kits around events, both intentional devices, meaning process governance, what's milestone approves quality. Their holds are external launch events, token development, content release, provide liquidity and coordinate outcomes, price discovery for greater than poor voting or manual allocation, and markets minimize coordination's cost when boundaries are well defined and transaction costs are low. Programmable loops define these boundaries. Each loop packages these events, the market structure, the settlement logic, and the fee routing into a composable permittive humans, and all agents transact across these boundaries as economic participants, coordinating those price signals rather than centralized allocation. The long-term goal is a coordination layer for DAOs for inputs or outputs are provided by markets, enabling truly autonomous organization. This paper introduced the common token, the LOP primitives, and intentional implements launch contest community stake. The protocol is MCP native emissions, and VEC govern activist boundaries futurity will govern the token. The long-term goal is a coordination layer for DAOs when input and outputs are paired by markets, enabling truly autonomous organization. This paper introduced the common token. The laws provides an institutional implements launch concepts community stake. The protocol is MCP negative emissions and VEC grown actions. Factory will given the token contents way lobs way now protocol Rexity structure 2.1 lobs definition and basis 2.2 lobs taxonomy launch and govern 2.3 implement lobs service and example lobs extraneous complex primitive in action. VLOPS way now the top ranked user on HackerOne in an automated agent trade technical widths on chain work trades based on chain data. These agents don't navigate our charts, our wait for commit approves. They represent the prices, inventives and extrable contracts as agents proliferate. Coordination shifts from asking permissions to transacting at market roads. Crypto reals enable this. Every action can be period, every contribution can be selected, and every decision can be conditional on market signals. However, this is still controversial in multi-agent series. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. And market are the coordination primitive. Intelligence is already top cheap to meter. Coordination is net. The bottleneck is coordinating action across boundaries, deciding what it to bullet, who pays for it, when to ship, and how to split the upside. Markets solve this thought price discovery. Agents operating in the real economy need ground truth, accurate real-time signals about what is economically valuable. Modern machines learning relies on carpeting RL environments to grant trading data laws as market enable this for economy. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. Example: post coins content liquid tokens. Scarius contract wants to launch a token. Try to specific contract post video etc. And welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Universal conditions. The common app is the first implementations, but the protocol is designed as the universal coordinations layers for any use case where agents need to the organize action, allocate resources, and settle value. The same law primitives that power token launch and contracts can coordinate media conditions, contracts, tipping, relative slips, research and sequence, peer reviews, units and market, grant allocation and code development, PR, units, issue, purchases, contribute, rewards, any domains that requires coordination, conditions, settlement, or market based ranking can bullet on these primitives. Composable loops, composable apps. Future apps can compose protocol primitive into new surfaces. Custom boarding covers multiple token pairs, trade, assist, cross loop, work follow, where points from one loop's feed, ranking in another agent's route between loops to optimizing yield in influence. Apps that route those canonical markets remain enabled for emissions and rebates. Apps that fragment liquidity do not. This elegance boulders in weight or UX and use case perceive the shared economic layers. The path habit common start with trades, token and contracts that commons. Next is engagement, new apps, new laws, new agents. States the protocol is live, the financial is defined, the coordination layer is ready. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Create on-chain together and all in one space to launch tokens, grow commissions and earn rewards. Your community in their steps. Join commons, stake in instantly with your wallet and launch your on-chain journey. Discover trading communities, explore there. The comments are joined with your position. see with communities are doing on common. And from idea to action, insights for of switching between multiple different apps. We interact seamlessly with Discord, Snapshot, and other on-chain tools for simple settlement commissions. Get all your best trades and decisions in one place so your community can focus on action. Rewards and reconcile innovative agreement with rewards whether you members are top token holders, voter or key contribution contributors. You can reconcile their impact with groups until and actually spark. We simply how ideas come to life, common turns thousands into actions. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. So, when you bring ideas on chain, noting is too early or too big, create on chain together. Common community belong job streams, private DOSs, discard slips, and let's check ecosystem. And project. Community. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. And common price is 0.01.1011 dollar minus 7.14%. Common price today is 0.01012 and with a 24 hours trading volume of $4.31 million, and as such common has a market cap of 14.93 million. 14.93 million dollar, giving it a market dominance of 0.0031%. The common price moved minus 7.24% in the last 24 hours. And common price data 24 hours turnover $4.3 million and 24 hours highest price 0.0 $113 24 hours low price is $0.00932. Common market cap in first market cap $14.93 million. Market cap FDV $11.96 million. Well, welcome everyone. Common supply calculating supply 1.98 billion common, max supply 12.41 billion common. Market sentiment positive and total supply 12.41 billion common. And common price prediction. Common is predicted to average 0.01011 dollar in 2025 with a potential saving between the lowest price 0.008492 and the highest price 0.01263 dollar by 2030. Common price could reach to 0.01829, offering a potential plus 62.00% return from today's common price. 2025 $0.008,492 minimum price and highest price $0.01263, average price $0.01011 and common price history. Common price has moved -6.82% in the last 24 hours. In the past 7 days, the price of common is in the past 30 days and over the last year. Welcome Get User. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream everyone. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. So my dear friends, Common is an AI native workspace where every community project and trade is tokenized. So 3.8 million users across 50k plus communities and their AI agents can do deep research, trade code, no future requests, and earn on every idea or beauty in one place. What is the Common? Common is an AI native workspace, cryptocurrency trade tokenized communities, projects, and trades. It enables 3.8 million users across 50 and 1,000 plus communities and their AI agents to conduct deep research, straight code on future requests, earn from ideas and or bonds in the one unfits. Welcome my dear friends, welcome, thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream my dear friends. Common tokenization next unlock events, next unlock supply. Common 68.30 million and next unlock groups 3, next unlock million cap 669.34 k dollar and next unlock 2025-27 November. 4.20% retroactive rewards yellow and 4.40% purple community DAO and 13.90% sky blue rewards and initiatives, 25.00% foundation and 52.50% investors and cons. Welcome my dear friends, welcome. Visiting scandal total 100% common 12.41 billion, unlocked 12.50% common 1.55 billion, locked 86.95% common 10.79% and common fund follow 47.48%, retail at follow 52.52%, retail in follow. Small orders in follows $2.86 million and out follows $2.59 million. Medium orders in follows minus and out follows minus. Welcome everyone, welcome, thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream my dear friends. Welcome my dear friends, welcome. 25.494% purple and 12.40% blue and 7.77% orange and 5.00% sky blue, 4.24% blue and 44.65% white. Common news today, according to Measures Finance, GUCOM will launch Common at 22.00 Beijing time or October 27 and open the Common USDT trading pair. Common is a coordination layer for communities contribution and AI agents. It is an integrate project to and protocol for the issues of token management DASO. Welcome everyone, welcome, thank you so much for joining my live stream. Fund follow Common spot small order 317.46 k plus in follows 2.93 million, out follows 2.61% million dollar And common trade forecast 55.41 natural. Common fund follow percentage 47.14%, 52.86%, $2.93 million green, and so 47.14%, $2.46 million red. Retail inflows $2.93 million green, and retail inflows 317.46K, and retail outflows 2.61 million red. 2025 1 November 2.93 million inflows, outflows 2.61 million. Frequently asked question about common fund follow. Common post spot refers to the real-time purchase or sale of common at the current market price in a spot trading transaction, and selected immediately, meaning buyers receive the cryptocurrency on the spot and sellers get paid right away. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining. Welcome my dear friends. Welcome. And how does common spot work? Spot trading for common works through direct order, meeting buyers place an order to purchase common at the choice price, and when a seller agrees, the trade is executed instantly. These types of trading involves no layers of future settlement. Just a straightforward transfer of assets. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining my. Thank you for admin gift, and fund follow analysis monitors the movement of capital and into and out to crypto market. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream. Okay everyone. Token distribution 3.66% blue, and number 1 -5. Welcome everyone. So my dear friends, welcome my dear friends. Welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. And my dear friends, Common's total supply is capped, mining yearly staker offer the get high rewards launch will usually runs for a limited time, so timing matters. Let's check the estimated annual percentage yield APY life members and filters based on total participation. Market snapshot BTC, and Common. Now let's see how to broader market looks. Bitcoin is 119.9770 offer dipping yearly this morning, and Ethereum remains steady, showing relies disputes BTC volatility and Common. Since it's a launchable token, we will keep an eye on this price post listing now. Launchable coin offer show high intraday volume. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Welcome everyone. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for. Welcome, my dear friend. ओके गाइस, एज यू कैन सी यहाँ पर मैं कॉमन का चार्ट ओपन किया है। अब हम थोड़ा डिटेल में देखते हैं कि प्राइस मूवमेंट कैसी लग रही है। अगर आप नोटिस करें चार्ट पे क्लियरली एक स्पॉट जोन नज़र आ रहा है नियर दिस लेवल क्रॉस सी पॉइंट एंड my dear friends, welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. So, welcome, my dear friends. And please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. यहाँ से प्राइस ने मल्टीपल बोनस लिया है जो इंडिकेट करता है कि बायर्स इस जोन को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है, जैसे कि हम देख सकते हैं। चार्ट इवेंट लाइन्स, type in the chat guys, do you think common will break this resistance? RSI इंडिकेटर देखो गाइस, अभी थोड़ा नेचुरल जोन में है, ना ज़्यादा ओवरबोथ ना ओवरसोल्ड। ये एक हेल्थी कंसोलिडेशन लग रही है जहां से अगर ला इम्पल्स मूव आ सकता है। कमॉन एक प्राइवेसी फोकस DeFi प्रोजेक्ट है, बुलेट ऑन अल्फा ज़ीरो ब्लॉकचेन। इसका में फोकस है एक स्ट्रक्चर डिक्लाइसेट एक्सचेंज DEX से बनाना, जहां यूज़र के ट्रेड्स प्रोजेक्ट हो फ्यूटिंग आवर MEV अटैक्स सी। अभी प्रोजेक्ट एयरली फेस में है लेकिन हाई पर स्ट्रॉन्ग है और कम्युनिटी रिपीटेडली ग्रो कर रही है। So towards up guys, common का चार्ट buyers are negative on dips and स्टैंड्स ब्रेक के बाद हमें एक फ्रेश मूव मिल सकता है। Welcome my dear friends, welcome. So everyone, welcome everyone, welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. Please like, share my live stream, my dear friends. How are you, Mongal? Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. सो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, हमारा रेड पैकेट ओपन होने वाला है. हरी अप द रेड पैकेट ओपन. हरी अप माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, ओपन द रेड पैकेट. Risk management and tips. Always remember launch pool is safer than leverage. Leverage trading, but it's not risk free. Stake only with you can hold for the full duration with watch for reward and dates. Avoid last minute staking as the reward rate decreases when the pool fills. Welcome, my dear friends. Thanks a lot for joining my live stream. So, everyone, thanks a lot. And please like, share my live stream. All right, let's take some question from the chat. Type your thoughts. Are you joining this launch pool? If you enjoy today's breakdown, make sure to follow my channel for daily crypto insights and reward updates. I am Moon Girl, singing off. Stay smart, stay informed, and may your crypto journey always be in profit. Thank you so much, my dear friend. टेक केयर. बाय बाय. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, दुआ में याद रखिएगा. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़ माय डियर फ्रेंड्स.